How to remove a Snapchat shortcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove a Snapchat shortcut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. Now, after you're on your Snapchat, if you click a snap and you tap on send to, you will see on the top, you will see different shortcuts. As you can see right here, I have this shortcut right here. Now shortcuts make it easier to send snaps. You can just select each and every one of your shortcuts and then send it to your friends. This is a really useful feature, but if you have a lot of shortcuts and you want to remove some of them, what you'll need to do is tap on the send to button. After you do that, you will see different options such as your shortcuts, groups, and new option. Tap on the new option. After you tap on the new option, you will see edit shortcut option. From here, you can either add a new shortcut or you can remove the one that you already have. So simply tap on this option right here. That is the shortcut that you want to delete. Simply tap on that, and after you tap on that, tap on this trash icon on the top. And you'll get the pop-up